Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Achoo! I'm Josh. How are you? Achoo! How are you doing today? Hey, when was the last time that you sneezed? Do you try to sneeze into your arm or into your shirt? It's always good to cover those sneezes so we don't spread germs. What does it sound like when you sneeze? Have you ever wondered, why do we sneeze? I mean, what's the point of mucus and germs coming out of our face at high speed? I was thinking about this question because I got an email from a curious kid named Madeline. She asked, what is a sneeze? Sneezing might seem kind of silly or even annoying, but your body is doing something really smart when it happens. Sneezing is actually one of the ways your body protects itself. It's like your nose has a security alarm, and when something tries to sneak in that doesn't belong there, like dust or pollen or smoke or even just a strong smell, it sets off the alarm. Inside your nose are tiny little hairs called cilia. Can you say cilia? Cilia can tell when something irritating is in the air. When those sensors get triggered, they send a message to your brain that says, "Hey, we've got something up here that doesn't belong." And then your brain responds by saying, "Okay, everybody get ready, it's sneeze time." And then your body takes a deep breath in, your chest muscles tighten, your eyes shut, and boom! Air blasts out of your nose and mouth super fast, like faster than a cheetah fast. A sneeze can travel at speeds over 100 miles an hour. Sneezing helps push all that irritating stuff like dust and germs out of your nose so it doesn't go down into your lungs. Think of it like your body's cleaning system for your nose. Now, I have a question for you. Do you sneeze sometimes when you go out into the sun? That happens to me all the time, but it doesn't happen to everyone, I found out. It's something called photic sneeze reflex. Can you say photic sneeze reflex? We don't know for sure why, but it could be that our brains get a little confused by the sudden bright light and it triggers a sneeze. Whatever it is, I will admit, it feels good to sneeze when I go out into the sun. And the next time you sneeze, remember, your body's just doing its job, trying to keep you safe and clean. All right, let's have a quick quiz. What part of your body senses when there's something irritating in the air? That's your nose. And do you remember what the tiny hairs are called? Cilia. How fast can a sneeze travel? Over 100 miles per hour. And do you remember what it's called when sunlight makes someone sneeze? That's the photic sneeze reflex. Let's play true or false. True or false? Sneezing is your body's way of keeping your lungs clean. That is true. True or false? Only humans can sneeze. That is false. Many animals can sneeze too, and we're going to play a game about that in just a minute. True or false? A sneeze always happens slowly. That is false. It would be very, very odd to see a slow sneeze. What do you think a slow sneeze would sound like? Can you do one right now? Achoo! It would be really, really silly. True or false? You sneeze because your stomach is full. That's false. Sneezes happen when your nose gets irritated. Would you rather sneeze like a mouse, tiny and quiet, or sneeze like a lion, loud and rumbling? What do you think a mouse sneeze sounds like? And what do you think a lion sneeze sounds like? And then which one would you rather have to sneeze like? Okay, as promised, here's a new game called Does It Sneeze? Are you ready? Here we go. Dogs. Yes, they sneeze to clear their nose or even to talk during play. Have you ever seen a dog sneeze? It's pretty funny. What about a fish? Do fish sneeze? Nope. They don't sneeze because they don't breathe air through their nose like we do. What about elephants? Yes, and if you can even believe it, their sneezes are very, very, very loud. What about ants? Do ants sneeze? No, ants do not sneeze. They breathe through tiny holes in their bodies. All right, one more. What about pandas? Do pandas sneeze? Yep, pandas can sneeze just like other mammals. Isn't it cool that your body has its own little defense system that works without you even thinking about it? Sneezing might seem silly or even annoying, but it's actually an amazing way your body keeps you safe. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, achoo! Tell your body, thank you. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, thank you so much for telling other parents about this show. Please visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.